Welcome, here I've got Nokia 8.3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the photo settings category here. Let's just slide a little bit to get better view. Here we have the watermark option, so when we tap on it, we get access to more advanced options about it. We can add here the personal message watermark, the device information, and also the personalized image. So we have a wide choice and wide spectrum of options. Let me pick now the personal message. Here we can add our own custom watermark. For example, let me write here the hard reset. And OK. As you can see here, it appears in the left corner at the bottom at the quick preview. We have also a few options how it looks like, so we can pick whatever we like here. And this is how to change this. And the next one here is the device information watermark, so by just one tap we can turn it on and another tap to turn it off by using this button. And it appears here in the second line. Also, when we turn off the personal message, we can see that we have two device watermarks, so we can also manage how it looks like. So we have Nokia 8.3 5G watermark with photograph or without photograph. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see how this watermark looks like at the real one. So to see the photo, let's move to the right corner at the bottom here. And here we have quick access to the gallery. This is our picture. The watermarks appear here in the left corner at the bottom. So when we get closer, we can see that this is how it works. Now let's go back to the camera, then to the left corner and to the watermark here. And let me pick also personalized image watermark. Here by using this button we can turn it on and off, and here we can add our own picture. And now we have this one, we can remove it also, and when we tap here we can prepare whatever we need and upload it from the gallery. So now let me change this to this one, for example, and as you can see here it also appears. But remember that we can add this one watermark without these two, so this is automatically turned off now. When we want to turn this on, this is turned off. So this is how to manage all of these settings. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.